What's going on YouTube? Just helping you out here. And for today's video, I'll be doing Chapter 3, Problem 1 in the Fundamentals of Physics textbook by Gerald Walker, Halliday, and Resnick. And Chapter 3 is all about vectors. It's mostly just the basics of vectors. You'll get into more advanced stuff with vectors later. And vectors are pretty much like the baseline for a lot of problems later, such as torque and magnetism problems. So this is really important to understand now. And in problem 1, we're given the x and y components of a vector, and we're asked to find the magnitude of the vector. So for part A, we need to do vector A equals the square root of the x component squared plus the y component squared. So that is negative 250 squared plus 400 squared, all under the square root, and that equals 47.2 meters. And then for part B, it asked us to find the angle between the positive x direction and the direction of A. So what we need to do is use the equation theta equals the inverse tangent of A in the y direction over A in the x direction. So that will give us 400 over negative 250, and that is going to equal negative 58 degrees. But we are not done. So what we need to do is we need to draw our 4 quadrants. So we have this being quadrant 1, 2, 3, and 4. And if we look here, our x component is negative, so we're going to go this way. And then our y component is positive, so we're going to go this way, which means that our vector is in quadrant 2. And this negative 58 right here means that it is negative 58 degrees from the second quadrant, so it's this way. But the question asks how far it is from the positive x, so this right here. So how far back is it this way? So it'll go back all the way to here, about. So right there. So what we need to do is we need to do 180 degrees, which is this whole semicircle here, minus the 58 degrees. And when you do that, you'll end up with 122 degrees from the positive x-axis. Alright, so that was the first problem in Chapter 3. If you found this video helpful, please drop a like, leave a comment if you have an idea for a future video, or a question about something I did, and lastly, help me out and subscribe. I'm just helping you out. See you in the next video.